Okay. Hello students. Good morning everyone. So in the last class, I explained you about the functionalities and features of the Microsoft 2007 Excel. Okay. Now, a important topic about the 2007 Excel means how to insert a data in Excel, how to modify the data from the Excel, and how to copy the data from one location to the another location from the Excel. Okay. As you can see, this is whatever it is visible to you. This is Microsoft Excel 2007 software application. Okay. In that, this is one of the workbook. We can call what is visible to you. Okay. This is called as a workbook. Why this is name given to this? This screening ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ home page. Why the name given as a workbook means in this we need to work. We need to manage the data. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ work ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Work ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ work ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. So that's why this is actually look like a book. ಒಂಥರ book ರೀ. How you are maintaining the records in a book. ಆ ತರಾನೇ ಈ book ಒಳಗೂ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ maintain ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ record. Manage ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ huge amount of data. Okay. As you can see, ಇವ ಏನ್ದಾವ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಏನ್ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ tabs ರೀ. Okay. These all are the options available. Okay. Using these options, you can make your data attractive and attract ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You can easily manage. You can easily highlight the important data, whatever is there in your document. Okay. Now, the next concept is entering data into cells. Entering data into cells. So, what is a cell? Cell is nothing but a, as you can see here, I am going to click any location here in the workbook. ಈ workbook ಒಳಗೆ ನಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು location ಒಳಗೆ click ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Now I am going to click here. Okay. Here. Now I'll click ಮಾಡ್ದೆ. This is called as a cell. Rectangular shape is formed here. This is called as a cell or it is called as a grid ಅಂತನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So entering means adding a data. Adding a data into the cell. This is now the next concept is entering a data into the cell. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ? Actually, when we need to when we move a mouse point over the worksheet area on an Excel workbook, ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ first? We need to move the cursor where we want to ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ data store ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, enter ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, you need to click on that place. Okay. Assume that if it is a huge amount of data or a more than 5 important data ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Assume that a 5 list ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. 5 data ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. You need to select that location with the help of right click ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೌಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಗೊತ್ತು? With the help of mouse ನೀವು right click ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. I require 2 columns and 4 to 5 rows. So in this location I am going to maintain the data or going to adding or entering the data. Okay. Using this can select a cells and enter a data into cell by just clicking it mouse button and typing a value in the cell. Okay. First ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? First step is where you want to enter the data. Actually the workbook ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. As you can see here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಾ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. You can see here cursor is moving now. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ scroll bar ಅದರಿ. Okay. This scroll bar ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಈ ತರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೊಂಟಿನ್ರಿ. ಭಾಳ ಅದರಿ. Okay. Here horizontal and vertical scroll bar ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಕೆಳಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬಹುದು, ಮ್ಯಾಲೂ ಹೋಗಬಹುದ್ರಿ. Okay. There are many means more than 47,000 rows are there. Okay. More than 40,000 columns are there. So that's why ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? In which location you want to enter the data, you need to select that location. Okay. ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದರಿ location. I am going to manage the data here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ manage ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ. So I want to manage the data or enter the data in this location. Okay. Before going to select the location, first you need to know how many columns and how many rows are required. Okay. You need to select this one. Okay. I want to enter the data in this place, in this location. Okay. Next point. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡೇಟಾ. Okay. So actually there are one option is there. ಏನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ರೀ ಅಂದ್ರ? Okay. You can see here cursor is moving now here. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಣಾದೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟನ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಾಪಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ತೋರ್ಸಾದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, there are many options are there here. Okay, ನಾ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗ I require only top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, because I am drawing the table here. ನನಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರತ್ರಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇರತ್ರಿ, ಪರ್ ಸೆಲಿಗೂ ಏನಿರತ್ರಿ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂತ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ as you can see this is my right, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ರೀ, ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಣಾತಿಲ್ಲ. that's why ನಂಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬೇಡ, then you can select once again. select ಮಾಡಿ you can go in this option. if you want a left border you can select here, select that. ನೋಡ್ರಿ right left ಬಂತು. but ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. actually I require a table to maintain the data. so that's why once again I am select this location and directly move to this option. Here all border option is there, as you can see here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth option is all border option is there. You can click this one. As you can see the table is formed here. Table I3. Okay, so table I2, after the creating the table, in which location, in which place you want to enter the data, you can click here. ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡೇಟಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. you need to select the data. I am going to entering the data at the first position, that is serial number. just you need to enter the data, serial number. okay, serial number is a first data. next here student name is a second data. okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಂಟೈತ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, if you want to make a large, ಅದ ರೋ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, if you want to make a large, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ತರ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾರ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಈ ತರ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಸೆಲ್ ನ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಬೈ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ತರ ಹೋಗಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ದಿ ಡೇಟಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವರ್ಕ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದೇನ್ ಜರೂರತ್ ಇಲ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ದಿ ಡೇಟಾ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಹಂಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೊಂಟೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡೇಟಾ. you can enter data like this. rough data I am going to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ, rough data add ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ. without table also you can add. after the adding the table you can select the after the adding the data you can select the location, then directly go to here and make a all border. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. after the entering the data you can create the table, or after ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನು ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ದಿ ಡೇಟಾ. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ? ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ತಿಳಿತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿ. ಓಕೆ okay, I'm going to add the data here. I'm entering the data. serial number 1, enter. serial number 2, enter. serial number 3, enter. serial number 4, enter. serial number 5. okay, ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ? okay, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರಾಕು ಏನ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. Now it's recording. Yes. Okay guys, so the next concept, the first concept is how to enter the data in a Excel sheet. First you need to select the location where you want to add the data or enter the data. Okay, without a table also you can add. After the adding the after the entering the data you can add the table. Otherwise new table create ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು data nu enter ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I show you here. Okay, so after that the second one is editing the cell. Okay, first I am going to enter the data here. I created the table and I enter the some data. Already entered the some data here. So student name is A, next student name is B, C, D, E, F. Sorry, only E. Okay, so I created one table here. In that table I enter the data. You can aim ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ, you can select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, there are many options are there. This one is full left ಅಂದಂಗ್ರಿ. If you want a middle ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. right ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರೀ, you can select this one. Okay, serial number also middle ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, A B C also you need to select this one, go to this option. This is middle, no center. Okay, because attractive ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಲಿ ಅಂತ. Okay, so after the entering the data, next concept is edit cell. Editing the cell. Editing the cell means when we need to change the content of a cell, we can replace the content by clicking a cell by and copying over it. Okay, editing the cell. Na en madiri, I added some data, I entered the some data here. So assume that the student name instead of nodri ella enadavu small adavu, the student name enada onde capital adu. If you want to edit this name, just ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ, ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ. assume that you want to edit this name A, just you need to click on that. click ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, instead of that small a enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತ್ರಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ಅದೇನ್ ಏನು ಇದು ಇಲ್ರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, move the cursor where you want to edit the cell. Okay, A ಇತ್ತು, so just click on that. Okay, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗ, instead of A you need to Y ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, just enter the Y in the keyboard. enough, ಮುಗೀತ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಅದ ರೀ. Okay, next cut copy paste ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ನೋ. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಕ Control C, paste ಮಾಡಕ Control V. Okay, ಹಾ ರೀ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೀನ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೀನ್ರಿ ನಾನು. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣಿಸಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನೇ ಕಾಣಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Oh, wait. Okay, now it's recording. I'm going to share the screen now. Now it's visible to you. Okay, ಈಗಂತೂ ಕಾಣಿಸಕತ್ತೆ. First one is editing cell. Sorry, first one is entering the data into cell. So first you need to select the location where you want to enter the data. Okay, if you want a table border, you need to create the table with the help of table option is there here. Okay, it's visible here. Table option is there here. Hogi, you need to select the all borders. Okay, ಯಾವ್ದು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು line color you can also select. Without table also you can add the data. After that, editing the cells means whatever the data are there in a cell, if you want to edit that one, then directly move to that location. Assume that here is Y is there. Okay, you need to change this Y. Directly you can go here and just click on that. Just click on that with the help of mouse. Okay, and if you want instead of Y to a Z, you want a Z here in the place of Y, directly enter the Z here, modify. After that, if you want to copy the content whatever there in a one Excel, if you want to copy that and paste in another location, in nodri is already data is there here. If you want the same data, copy of this data, idu copy ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. So that's why ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, just select this one with the help of mouse. Okay, just select this one. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಲ್ರಿ, just select this one. Then right click on this one. ನಿಮ್ದು ಮೌಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, right click ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, copy option is there. Copy means ನೋಡ್ರಿ copy ಆಯ್ತು. That's why ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಅದರ border blink ಆಗತ್ತು, means copied. If you want to place in other location, just enter the control V. ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ, data is copy. Multiple of data means a duplicate of data. You need if you want a duplicate of data, just copy and paste. You already know the copy paste option. Okay. This is how to copy the content from the cell with the help of copy paste. If you want ನಿಮಗೆ duplicate data ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you can copy and paste the data in another location. If you want this one, ಇದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, okay. So if you want this one, only one piece of a copy data, one piece of a data, ಒಂದೇ piece of data ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ just enter the control X. Wait. Here serial number, student name A B C D, serial number 1 2 3 4. I'm going to add the border, means I'm going to create the table. So go here, all border. Okay, I'm aligning to make a beautiful, means attract data ಮಾಡು ಸಂಬಂಧ. This one student name select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, data is created, same data ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಿ. So ಇದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, take this one. If you want this one, control X, control V, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ, means same copy of it, means same data, multiple data ಬೇಡ, ಅದ್ರ ಕಾಪಿ ಬೇಡ, the original data. I want a original data only in another location. Just select this one, just select this one. Just ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, select this one, enter the control X. Control X means a cut. Okay, control X means a cut. And if you want this data, original data in this location, just control V. Illindu cut agi illi paste agutte. Okay, this is a editing, copying and entering the data in a MS Excel. Getting or not? Okay. How to delete cell, rows or columns? Next concept is how to delete cell, rows and columns. Hang delete madbeku? Yes madam. We understood how to enter the data, we understood how to edit the data, how to copy the data, how to move data from one location to the another location with the help of control X key. Okay, now how to delete? Enter ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, copy ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, paste ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. How to delete a particular column, particular cell or a particular data, particular cell, column or a row. Just ನೋಡ್ರಿ, you want to delete this one, A. Okay, just select this one, move to the clear option is there. Illada nodri, it's visible to you. Clear means clear, delete everything from the cell or selectively remove the formatting the contents or the comments. Means clear ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, particular cell ಒಳಗಿಂದು data ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, delete ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ sub option ಅದಾವ. You can click here. Clear all, clear format, clear content, clear comments. Just clear all ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ A ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, just I select this cell. Okay, directly move to the clear option here. First option is there, clear all. Okay, if you want to delete second one, second serial number. Okay, ila second serial number student is left our college. You need to delete the record of that student. Okay, you need to select the both cells. You ordu cell ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, you need to select the both cells. Select ಮಾಡಿ, go to the clear. Okay, clear all. Second and third is remove. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಹೋಗೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು. Okay, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರ, if you want to delete a full entire column, if you want to delete an entire column, which column? Student name column is there. If you want to delete the entire column, you need to select this one. Okay, go to the clear option. Okay, clear all. The column is deleted. Same like that. If you want to delete a particular cell here, you need to select this one, clear all. Clear all. Wait. This one. How to enter the data, how to modify the data or edit the data, and how to copy, how to move a data from the one location to the another location, and how to delete the contents from the cell, or how to delete a particular row or a particular entire column from the worksheet. This is today's topic. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೂ? Any doubts? Okay, if another one is there, if you want to delete, you can select this one, serial number. Innondu option ಹೇಳಾತೀನಿ. If you want to delete this one, you can select, and directly delete option is there. You can see here, delete cells means it entirely cell is deleted by with the help of delete cell. Delete rows. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರಾತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪಾಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್, delete rows columns from the table or a sheet. Okay, go to here, delete cells. If you click on this, which showing a one delete, that asking you a question, delete, what do you want to delete? Cell from the left, shift cell up, entire row you want to delete, entire column you want to delete. I want to delete an entire column, so click here. Okay, so entire column is deleted. This option is also there. Okay, clear is also same as a delete. Delete means directly deleting. Clear means it will be clearing the data from the cell. Okay, okay guys, thank you. Today's class is end now. Today's session is end now. If you have any doubts, you can ask me without hesitation. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ರ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. It's very easy. Okay, you need to download the software in your mobile. MS Excel is available in a Play Store. You need to download that one and start working on that. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, this is end of your class now. In the next class I come up with a further important topic, and next classes are very important. Okay, I am using a screen share screen only. Okay, practically, with the help of practically I show you how to manage, how to create the important data in a worksheet. Okay, na ella torstindri, very important adari, don't miss the class. Okay, thank you guys.